Did you know that a single disease can rob a person of their ability to move, speak, and even breathe, all while leaving their mind intact? Welcome to the world of ALS, a condition that challenges our understanding of the human nervous system. ALS, the silent battle of motor neurons. Amyotrophic Lateral Sclerosis, or ALS, is a devastating neurological disease that affects thousands of people worldwide. This condition, also known as Lou Gehrig's disease, progressively destroys motor neurons, leading to the loss of muscle control and eventually total paralysis. At its core, ALS disrupts the functioning of motor neurons. In a healthy nervous system, upper motor neurons in the brain send signals to lower motor neurons in the spinal cord, which then transmit these signals to specific muscles. In ALS, both upper and lower motor neurons degenerate, breaking this vital communication chain. The symptoms of ALS typically begin subtly and worsen over time. Early signs may include muscle weakness, especially in the arms or legs, difficulty with speech or swallowing, and muscle twitches or cramps. As the disease progresses, individuals may lose the ability to walk, use their hands, speak, and eventually breathe without assistance. Importantly, ALS does not affect cognitive function in most cases, meaning that individuals remain aware of their condition throughout its progression. This makes ALS particularly challenging for patients and their families. The exact causes of ALS remain a subject of ongoing research. In about 5–10% of cases, ALS is inherited through a genetic mutation. The remaining 90–95% of cases, known as sporadic ALS, have no clear genetic component. Scientists have identified several potential risk factors, including age and gender. Diagnosing ALS can be challenging, as there is no single definitive test. Doctors typically rely on a combination of physical examinations, neurological tests, electromyography, and various imaging techniques such as MRI scans. They also need to rule out other conditions that may mimic ALS symptoms. Currently, there is no cure for ALS. Treatment focuses on managing symptoms and maintaining quality of life for as long as possible. This may include medications to slow disease progression, physical therapy to maintain muscle strength and function, speech therapy, and the use of assistive devices. Despite the challenges, research into ALS is ongoing and promising. Scientists are exploring various avenues, including gene therapy, stem cell research, and new drug treatments. These efforts aim not only to slow the progression of ALS, but potentially to reverse its effects or prevent its onset altogether. Let's recap the key points about ALS we've covered today. ALS is a neurodegenerative disease that affects motor neurons, leading to progressive loss of muscle control and eventual paralysis. The disease typically starts with subtle symptoms like muscle weakness and progresses to more severe effects on movement, speech, and breathing. While there's no cure for ALS yet, treatments focus on managing symptoms and maintaining quality of life. Ongoing research offers hope for better treatments in the future. Understanding ALS is crucial for supporting those affected and driving research towards more effective treatments and ultimately a cure. Thank you for watching our exploration of ALS. We hope this video has helped you understand this complex condition better. Remember, ongoing research brings us closer to better treatments and potentially a cure.